have come across people doing this kind of flyers, no longer posting all the time, looking for picture to use to promote your videos or your post online. I'm going to teach you how to generate this, and I will also drop the prompt that I use to generate the on the comment section, the comments, so that you can access it. So we are going to Gemini. If you don't have Gemini, this is Gemini. All you need to do is go on your Play Store, search for Gemini. This is it. This is the one we are looking for. So we're going to click on Gemini. I've done a lot of flyers. You can see what I've done so far with Gemini. You can see I have done a lot. You can see where I'm doing those kind of uh, flyer that it speaks more. People get more attracted to it. People get more attracted to it. You can see it here. You can see it here. People get more attracted to this kind of flyers, or you want to use it to talk about a particular thing. This is a good one. So what we do is that let me open this and we take it off from there. So what did I do here is all you need is the prompt. You see, create a professional high resolution social media flyer design with a white background. Do you get it now? And this is where the catch is. You change this topic to this place is said 5 ChatGPT prompt that can help you turn. Then you are to put the topic here and everything here, and voila, you will get this result. This is what you will get after it. So I will drop the prompt, just copy the prompt, and then you will get this. All you need to do is that each time you can change the color of the background. You can change the color of the background by, instead of using white background, you can now say a black background with a white front, a white text, or see it white text. So it's you that will say what you want. Do you see it? You can change this white, change this black, change the white background. So you will not change this particular topic here to your topic. Okay, don't you do this, and this place you change this. Let me use this one for this. You change this chat gpt, then you change this particular arrow here, and you are good to go. So by the time you are done with this, you click on submit. Let's see if I can redo it again. Just paste this. Okay, so let's change the background of this so you get it right. So I will say uh, uh maybe a gold background or a black background, and we'll change this to maybe black white, because you can't put black on top of black. So we change it to pink text. So all the text will now come as pink, and this is, we change this to white. I hope you're getting it. So white, and then I think we're gonna also change. Okay, that's all. So below this video, write the name in black. So we change it to white. Okay, and this is good. So we'll click on submit and allow Gemini to do the magic. Okay, let's see. Okay, you see that this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. You can see the results, and this is nice, and this is very catchy and very attractive. People will always want to click to read what you post each time you use this kind of flyers to communicate. You use it to communicate. So I know that you have gotten value from this. Please subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so you know when next I'll post a new video like this. So in my next video, I will be teaching you how to remove this Gemini logo here, this Gemini logo, so that it will look like a professional thing. Immediately somebody sees this logo, definitely they will know that you used Gemini to do this. Okay, so we are going to do a video. I'll create a video where I removed this background. Thank you so much.